Good morning, dear students. Today is, as you know that today is 21 date and 21 is Friday and Friday our next class is there. So I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So कोरोना थोड़ा ज़्यादा फैल रहा है इसलिए घर पे ही रहे, सेफ रहे. Okay. So the next already last class we learned the exercise 1.5. So now we are going to start exercise 1.6. And exercise 1.6 means we have to make the round off. Round off with when we have to when the shop जब हम किस दुकान पे जाते हैं तो देन बिल होता है सपोज 19 रुपीज और 11 रुपीज लाइक दिस देन वी हैव टू गिव 10 and one just exist. Okay, we have to make this exist. If 90 rupees bill is there, then shopkeeper say that one just exist and whatever is there, that round up, that is the meaning of the round up. Okay, so the what is the way to solve the round up of the following numbers? So round up is nearest 10. There are 4 types of round up. Round up is nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000 and the nearest 10,000. Okay, so how to solve? Suppose the number is given 35 and we have to make the nearest 10. Nearest 10 means if the first digit is 5, first digit is 5 or more than 5 or more than. If the first digit is 5 or more than or more. If the first digit is 5 or more. If the given number the first digit is 5 or more, then here is 35. It means 5 is 5. First digit is 5. या उससे ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है. 5 is there. Then instead of 5 we will write the 0 and afterward we will add 1 in the front of the 5. So the result is 0 and 3 plus 1 40. So the round up of 35 is round up of 35 by nearest 10 is 40. Okay, suppose one more example, 32 is given. So the first digit is 2 and 2 is less than 5. So less than 5, then instead of 2 we will write directly 0 and no need to add any number, directly 0 and 3 as it is. It means just see if the first digit is more 5 or more than 5, then instead of 5 you make 0 and add in the front of 5, then 3 plus 1 4. Suppose same is 39. And what is the round up of 39? Ethan? Yes, very good. 39, 9 means 5 or more than 9, 5. So instead of 9 directly we can write 0 and in the front of 9 we will add 1. Then the result is 40. Like this also nearest 100. Suppose one number is given by 535 or 585. 85. So the 100 means just check 50 or more. 50 or more. If the first two digit is 50 or more than 50, then instead of both digit directly we will make 00 and in the front of it 50 we will add 1, then 0 0 5 plus 1 600. This is the round up of 585. Okay, I think you understood. Just see if last two digit is 50 or more than 50, then instead of 0 directly 85 or whatever is there, you directly write 00 and in the front of that number you add 1. Suppose one more example, 545. Okay, so the last two is 45. 45 is less than 50, so directly instead of 45 we will write 0 and no change in the 5, directly we will write 5. So the nearest round up is 500. Okay, like this. 1000 means 1000, it means 500 or more. 500 or more. Just see 500 or more. Suppose the number is given 3579. So the last 3 digit, just check the last 3 digit. If the last 3 digit is more than 500 or equal to 500, then directly you can write 0 0 0 and afterwards add 1 and 3 plus 1 4. 579 is more than 500. One more example, 329. Last 3 digit is 329 is less than 500. So instead of 329 directly add 0 0 0 and there is no change in that number. So round up is 3000. Okay, like that nearest 10,000. 10,000 means 5,000 or more. 5,000 or more. Suppose the number is given 54795. Okay, so the last 4 number 5975 is more than 500. So instead of 5975 directly we will write 40 and the front of that number we will add 1 and 4 plus 1 5. This is the way to round up the nearest number or the nearest following number. Okay, next 3 7 4 2 5 1. Yeah, 3. Then the last four number is less than 5000, so directly we will add 0 0 0. In the front of we will add 1, so 7 plus 1 8, so the round up is 38. Sorry, 4253, there is no less than 5000, so no need to add any number, so directly 37,000 is your round up. Okay, so this is the way to round up the following number: nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000 and nearest 10,000. Okay, take the screenshot and write as it is in your notebook. Okay, so now we have to start the exercise. Take the screenshot. Okay, so the first question: round up the following number, the nearest tens, hundreds and thousand. Okay, so nearest tens, hundred and thousand. So first number 4639. So for the nearest tens, the first digit is 9 more than 5. So directly we will write instead of 9 0 and add in the front of 9. 3 plus 1 4 6. So this is the nearest tens. This is the nearest tens. Next. For the nearest 100, last two digit is 39, less than 50. Remember that, less than 50. So instead of 39, directly we will write 0 and less than 50. So directly no change is there. 4600, nearest 100. The next 4639. For the nearest 1000, last three digit is more than 500. 639, more than 500. So instead of 639, directly we will write 0 0 0. And the front of that 6 we will add 1. 4 plus 1 5000. So this is nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000. So like this you solve the all three: second, third and fourth. Okay. So one more I will solve the last one. Okay. So for the nearest 10, the last digit is 1. So instead of 1 directly we will write 0 and less than 5 is there. So directly 8, 9, 3, 2, 0, 4, 7, 6 and 5. This is your nearest tens. Okay, afterwards for the nearest 100, 5, 6, 7, 4, 0, 2, 3, 9, 8, 1. Last two digit is 81. 81 is more than 50. So directly instead of 81 we will add 0 and add 1. 9 plus 1 10, carry 1, 3 plus 1 4, afterwards 2, 0, 4, 7, 6 and 5. For the nearest 1000, so 5, 6, 7, 4, 0, 2, 3, 9, 8, 1. For the nearest 1000, last three digits 981 is more than 500. So directly instead of 981, directly we will write 0, 0 and 0. In the front of 9 we will add 1, 3 plus 1 4, 2, 0, 4, 7, 6 and 5. So this is your round of nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000. This 2 is your homework. Don't ask again and again what is homework. These two, and don't send the message or send the solution like this. Okay, just try to solve this. It is good for you. I can send the solution. It is easy, but if you solve now, then it will be beneficial for you. Okay? So just try to solve. Afterwards, if you face the problem, then take the screenshot of your answer and send to me. I will send where you make the wrong. Okay? Any doubt? So take the screenshot and make it solve 2 at put your homework. Okay, so the next question: estimate the value of 31,528 and 6382543 plus 216745258. The nearest 10,000. Nearest 10,000, and then compare it with the actual sum. It means first we have to make the estimate, afterwards add, and then we will find out the actual sum. So compare the both of this. Okay, the first question: 31528 plus 6382543 plus 216745258. So for the nearest 10,000, last four digit, if the last four digit is more than 5,000, equal or more than 5,000, then we will add 1 or make them 0. If the less than, then directly. So last 4 digit 1528 is less than 5000. So instead of 152 directly 0 0 0 and 0. So there is no change. Answer is 30000. Okay. So last 4 digit 2543 is less than 5000. So directly instead of that 0 0 0 and 0 and 8 3 6 as it is. So the last 4 digits again 2548 is less than 5000. So 0 0 0 and 0. After 5 4 7 6 1 and 2. So now add all of this, and when we will add all of this, then we will get 21378 21378 6 0 0 0 and 0. So this is your estimated sum. What is the sum? Estimate sum. Okay. ये वाला आंसर जो है आपके बुक के अंदर रॉन्ग दिया हुआ कुछ, तो वो रॉन्ग है. दिस इज द एस्टिमेट सम. एक्चुअल this is the estimate sum and the actual sum. And what is the actual sum? And actually you add all of this, then you got the actual sum 2173 86619. Okay, you got the actual sum 86619. So this is your round up value sum and this is your actual sum. Okay, so take the screenshot and write in your notebook. This answer is given wrong in your answer sheet, so please correct it. Okay. Okay, so the next question. In the bookshop there were 6,05,863 books are there. Out of 4,842 books were sold. About how many books are left in the bookshop? कितने books जो है वो left बची है? So we know that the total books how much? Yes, 6,05,863. And sold books, how much sold? Sold books is 4,842. So 4,842. And so the remaining book or left book we will make the subtract. Then 3 minus 2 1, 6 minus 4 2, 8 minus 8 0, 5 minus 4 1 0 and 6 books is left. Okay, so now we have to make estimate nearest 100. So for the nearest 100, last 2 digit is 21 less than 50. So directly we can write instead of 21 0 0 0, the next one all as it is. Okay, so the nearest books is 6,01,000. Okay, and out. So for the nearest 100, last 2 digit is 21 less than 50. So instead of 21 directly we will write 0 and there is no change. So directly 6,01,000 is nearest. The left book is 6,01,021. Okay, take the screenshot and write in a notebook. Okay, so the next question, fourth one. A cold drink manufacturer company packed 652 box with the cold drink. If each box contained 245 bottles of cold drink, then find the number of bottles and estimate it the nearest 10. Okay, so we know that the total box. So the number of boxes how much? 652. Okay, this is the number of boxes. And cold drink in each box, how much? 245. So the total number of cold drink, so the total number of 652 मल्टीप्लाई 245. मल्टीप्लाई करने में होगा, बताओ क्या आंसर आएगा. जस्ट फर्स्ट 652 मल्टीप्लाई 245. सो द आंसर इज 159,740 bottles. हाउ मच? कितनी bottles आएगी? 1,59,740 bottles. So now we have to make estimate nearest 10. Nearest 10. For the nearest 10, first digit is 0 less than 5. So there is no change. So the nearest 10 is same as it is 1,59,740. Okay, and it out. So first, if we have to given the total number of boxes 652 and one box contain 245 bottles. So the number of total bottles is 652 multiplied by 245, then 1,59,740 bottles. So when we have to make nearest 10 estimate, then the first digit is 0, already less than 5, so directly we can write 0 and rest there is no change. So the answer is this. Okay, take the screenshot. Okay, so the next question, fifth one, the total weight of 1,523 cubical box is 11,98,078 kg. Estimate the weight of each box. Estimate the weight of each box. तो जब भी each box की बात आती है हम क्या करते हैं, डिवाइड देते हैं. So the weight of, so we know that total weight how much, 11,98,078 kg. Okay, and the number of box, (1,523). So the weight of each box, so weight of each box, for the each box directly we will give the divide 11,98,078 divided by 1,523. तो जब आप इसमें इसका डिवाइड दोगे, so you get the answer approximate 786.650 kg. 650 kg. You got this answer when you make the divide of 11,98,078 kg divided by 1,523. Then you got the weight of each box. So the when we will find out any condition in the any question, we will find out the weight of each box, weight of each, cost of each pen, each word is there. Then we have to give the divide. So this is your answer. But we have to estimate nearest 1,000. Nearest. So for the nearest 1,000, last two digits, just check last three digits. If the for the nearest 1,000, so the last 10,000 is there or 1,000. So the last three digit is more than 500 or less than 500. So not included point. Before one of the point 786. 786 is more than 500. So directly instead of 786 we will write 0, 0 and 0. In the front of we will add 1. So the result is 1,000 point, and instead of 650 is also 000 kg. Okay. जब राउंड अप करेंगे तो राउंड अप में जो है पॉइंट के पहले वाले नंबर को ही देखेंगे, बिकॉज द आफ्टर वन नंबर जो है दैट इज इन पॉइंट, इज इन पैसा. ओके, देयर इज नो वैल्यू ऑफ दिस, इसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती, इसलिए इधर से स्टार्ट करेंगे. तो 786 is less than 500 or more than, already we know that 786 is more than 500. So instead of 786 we will add 000. In the front of that 786 we will add 1. Okay, we will add 1 in the front of 786, then 000 1 as it is 0.000 kg. This is your round up answer. Okay, so take the screenshot and write in your notebook. Any doubt? Hiten, Sikha. Yes, we. Okay, so just try to understand. It's too much easy. Where we will find out the weight of each box, so we will make the divide. When the division, then answer is 786.650 kg weight of each box. So now we will estimate the value. The nearest 1,000. So the last three digits before the point. Okay, before the decimal, last three digits 786 more than 500. So instead of 786,000 in the front of 786 we will add 1. The answer is 1000 kg. Okay, any doubt? Okay, so the last question, sixth one. Rahul travel 1978 km to go from a place A to B, and then he went to go place C after traveling 1687 km. Estimate the distance between A to C and to the nearest 1,000. Okay, so the distance between A to B, what is the distance between A to B? Yes, Siddhi, 1978 km. Okay, and what is the distance between B to C, afterwards वो पहले B पे आया, B से फिर C पे गया. What is the distance between B to C, Siddhi? Yes, 168.7 kilometer. So the question is asking about the distance between A to C, total distance A to C. So we have to add both of these. What is the result? Siddhi, Sikha. Yes, 7 plus 8 plus 7, then 17. Sorry, 17 carry 1. Afterwards 8 and 7. Wait. I got me there. Sorry. 15 carry 1. 8 and 16 carry 1. 9 and 16 carry 1. 3665 kilometer, and we have to make estimate the nearest tens. So for the nearest tens, nearest thousand, for the nearest thousand, last 3 digit is 665 more than 500. So instead of 665 directly we can write 0, 0 and 0, and in the front of 665 we will add 1. 3 plus 1 4000 kilometer is your final answer. Okay, any doubt? So it means the Rohit travel from A to B 1978 km and from B to C 1687 km. So we will find out the total distance from A to C. Then 7 plus 8, 8 and 7 15 carry 1, 8 and 7 15 and 1 16 carry 1, 9 and 1 10 and 16 carry 1 and 3. And when we have to make it estimate the nearest thousand, so the nearest thousand with last 3 digit is more than 500 or less than 500. So last 3 digit is 665 is more than 500. So instead of 665 directly we can write 0 0 0. In the front of 665 directly add 1, and the result is 3 plus 1 4000 km is the nearest value of the following number. Okay, so your exercise 1.6 is completed. So now you can write in a notebook. Just try to solve. If you face any type of problem, then just see the video again one more time, and then also you face the problem, then you can ask. Afterwards, simply you don't say that sir we did not solve and sir send the solution. This is not a proper way. If you solve, then it is beneficial for you. So just try to solve. Okay. Then if you face the problem, then you send your solution. I will check and say where is the mistake you done. Okay. So be safe at your home. And इसको सॉल्व करना है बेटा घर पे कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है देन यू सेंड दिस मैसेजेस टू मी. ओके, एनी डाउट? ओके, सो नेक्स्ट मिलते हैं अपन 1.7 के साथ नेक्स्ट फ्राइडे को. थैंक यू. Okay, sorry, mistake is happened in the book. There is written, I think so. Just wait, I will see. In the book there is written 1973, but I wrote 1978, so you correct it. 1973, so here is also 73, so 7 plus 3 10, 0 आएगा यहाँ पे. Then there is no, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, फाइनली आंसर वापस वही रहेगा 4000. Okay, any doubt? So take the screenshot and write in your notebook. Thank you.